Do multiple offers still happen in this market? And if they do, what should we offer? Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. You know, it doesn't matter what kind of market, there's still multiple offers. Matter of fact, last month there was about 6 or 8, so less than 10% of the number of homes on the market. But still it comes up, and then the buyers ask us, hey, what should we offer over asking? Now, this has to be determined based on what your budget is and how comfortable you are. There's always another house. It's easy to get caught up in that frenzy. Oh, this is the one, and perhaps it is the one. Now, if it is the one, we can do some research and see what's been selling. If it's 1 or 2% over asking, I like to say, hey, 5% over asking. That doesn't mean you're definitely going to get it. It's going to put you in a good range. If you're comfortable with that, great. If it wants to be less, that's fine too. But it's kind of a good benchmark if you really found the home that's right for you. Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.